Right, hello everyone. Right, this is a rusty panel. This is the vinegar experiment. I have actually done this before. I've done it with electrolysis as well, but that's a bit more fanning around. Anyway, I looked into some cheap Chef's Kitchen distilled malt vinegar. I'm sure other brands are available. It's just malt vinegar. You pour it in, leave it a few days, and I'll put the results after. There you go, completely submerged in vinegar. Yeah, well, not a lot left to do. Let it do its work. Alright, here we are in the vinegar. You can see, yes, I actually left it a lot longer than I thought. It's probably been in here 2 weeks. Right, simple paintbrush. And the surface rust. Just brushes off. So it's almost got like a sort of galvanised effect on the surface of the steel, but it's not. It looks old in the picture. And the other side that was face down came out completely clear. Anyway, there you go, magic. Right, now I've just rinsed this off. I've rinsed it under the tap. It's been not less than 5 minutes. Now you can see there, see the brown shadow? It starts tarnishing like straight away. You need to dry it off with a heater, spray it with WD-40 or oil or something straight away. And that's it. I've dried it with a heat gun, look, and it goes yellow straight away, so spray it.